To disable dock in home screen on Google Pixel, first of all, you will need to open your Google Play Store and then search for a third-party app called Nova Launcher. Here we have this app. We want to download and install it. I've already installed the app, so I can instantly open it. But before we actually gonna open it, we should also go into the settings. So when you have it actually installed, go to the apps section on your settings and then enter default apps. Select your home app and change it to Nova Launcher. Now, when we have our Nova Launcher, we still see the dock, so to remove it, you need to open Nova Settings and then navigate to the home screen. Find the dock right here and then you can disable it, or if you want, you can customize it. But after that, as you can see, the dock on the home screen is gone. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.